Good morning, students. Today we are going to start new chapter, chapter 12, percentage. So what do you understand by a percentage? The words per and cent mean per hundred or for every hundred. And the symbol for percentage is this. Let's understand this by this square. And this square is divided into 100 equal dimensions squares. सो हमने यहाँ पे ये एक स्क्वायर लिया है और ये 100 स्मॉल स्क्वायर्स में डिवाइडेड है विच इज इक्वल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इफ वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड what is the percentage of red color here, or you can say red squares here. So the percentage for red squares here, red squares are 30 out of 100, or we can say 30% of these squares are red. And symbolically we will write this as 30 with the sign of percentage. This 30% is equals to 30 by 100 or 30 hundredths. For green, 16 squares out of 100 squares are green, and symbolically we will represent it as 16%, and this 16% is equals to 16 by 100, or we can say 16 hundredths. Then for yellow one, 24 squares out of 100 squares are yellow. So this is 24% is equals to 24 by 100, that means 24 hundredths. Sometimes if we go for a shopping, we see this type of posters on the shops which is saying sale 40% off or 50% off and so on. So that 40%, 50% represents 50 out of 100 or 40 out of 100, and that symbol is called percentage, and the meaning of percent is C. It made by two words per and cent. Per means every and cent means 100. So symbolically जब हम इस percentage की sign को use करते हैं, this percentage sign means per 100. You can say percent or percentage. And we can convert these fractions, these type of fractions into percentages also. For example, this is a square which is divided into 100 equal squares, and here 40 squares are colored. So the fraction will be 40 by 100. That means 40 out of 100 parts are colored. And when we will represent into percentage, it will be 40%. So जो यहाँ per 100 है, that will be converted into percentage sign. But if the fraction is given like 6 by 20, now how we are going to convert it into percentage? So you have to remember this thing, that percentage is a fraction, or you can say percent is a fraction having 100 in the denominator. Percent में हमेशा upon में 100 होता है. So when we are going to convert the 6 by 20 into percentage, so we are going to make this 20 100. That means हमें upon में जो number है उसे किस में convert करना है? Into 100. So 20 will be multiplied by 5, which makes 100. So similarly we are going to multiply 5 in numerator also. So 5 times 6 will be 30. Now this is 30 by 100. That means this is 30%. Because 30 by 100 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं in percentage? By 30%. We can use one more method to convert into percentage by multiplying it 100. So fraction को जब हम 100 से multiply करेंगे, we will get the percentage. This is the second method. So 6 by 20 multiplied by 100. In the table of 20, 100 comes 5 times. So we will reduce 100 by 20 5 times. Now this will be 6 times 5, 30 only. So this is 30%. Now we can also convert a percentage into a fraction. We have learned how to convert fraction into percentage. Now we will convert a percentage into a fraction. So we have to divide it by 100. जो भी percentage होगा उसे हम 100 से divide करेंगे so that we'll get the fraction. For example, 45%. So we are going to divide this 45 by 100 and then we are going to reduce the terms 45 and 100. Both are divisible by 5, 9 times and 20 times. So 45% is equals to 9 by 20. Now we can also convert a decimal into percentage. हम decimal को भी percentage में change कर सकते हैं. And how? For example, the decimal number 0.63, we are going to convert it into percentage. So first of all, this 0.63 is basically 63 upon 100. First of all, we are going to convert this decimal number into common fraction. Common fraction में हम change कैसे करेंगे? By removing this decimal point. And after decimal point, there are 2 digits. So we are going to write 100. Because जब भी after point 2 digits होते हैं, हम numbers को 100 से divide करते हैं. And ऊपर same वही जो number होता है, उसे as it is लिख देते हैं without decimal point. So this is 63 by 100 and now we can easily convert it into percentage because we all know 63 out of 100 will be 63 percentage only. So this will be 63%. Or there is another method by multiplying it 100. हम डेसिमल नंबर को 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करके भी परसेंटेज में चेंज कर सकते हैं. सो व्हेन यू आर मल्टीप्लाइंग इट बाय 100 एंड वी ऑल नो जब भी हम 100, 10 या 1000 से डेसिमल नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू शिफ्ट पॉइंट टू द राइट 2 places because there are 2 zeros. So we are going to shift this decimal point after 63. It means the answer is 63%. We can also convert a percentage into a decimal. Let's see one example over here. For example, 25%. So we are going to divide this 25% by 100 because this percent means also 100. And when we are converting a percentage into a decimal, we are going to divide the percentage number by 100. So 25 by 100, and when 100 is the denominator, then you are going to put a decimal point 2 digit before. That we have already done in the decimal chapter. So this will be 0.25. That's why 25% is equals to 0.25 as a decimal number.
So children, I hope you understood all the terms of percentage. So question number 1, 2 and 3 of exercise 12a we are going to solve in book only. Question number first is given, what percentage of these squares is shaded? So this square is given in which 100 small squares are given and we are going to count how many parts are shaded, how many squares are shaded, which we are going to write in this boxes. So in this one, how many squares are shaded? So 36 squares are shaded. We are going to write 36 in this box. So 36 by 100, that means how many percentage? So this will be 36% only. Similarly, you have to do for this and for this square. In the next question, write the shaded part as percentage. So first we are going to count the shaded circles over here. So how many circles are shaded? 1, 2 and 3. So you are going to write 3 over here and these are total 10. Now see, we are going to write it into percentage. So first we are going to make this 10 as 100. So we are going to multiply this 10 by 10 only. जब आप 10 को 10 से multiply करेंगे, you will get 100. So 10 multiply by 10 will make 100. So जब हम denominator में 10 से multiply कर रहे हैं, we have to multiply it in numerator also. So this will become 30. So this is 30 upon 100. So 30 by 100 will be 30%. We are going to solve question number 4, which is filling the blanks, in which these fractions, decimal numbers and some parts we are going to convert it into percentage. So first of all, A part is given 21 out of 100. So out of 100 we are going to write like this this only 21 by 100 and this is 21% only because upon में जब भी 100 आता है we are going to make it as a percentage sign. So this will be 21 by 100 and this is 21% only. Now 13 by 100, this is also 13% only. 4 by 10. So now there is only 10. So we are going to make the denominator 100 first of all because जब भी हम परसेंटेज में चेंज करते हैं अपॉन में हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए 100. So we are going to make it in 100 as a denominator. So 4 by 10. You can multiply both numerator and denominator by 10 to make it 100. So upper part will be 40 and the denominator will be 100 now. So this one is 40%. Then 4 by 5. Now in this one again we are going to multiply this fraction by 100 so that जो हमारा answer है that will come in percentage. So 4 by 5 multiply by 100 and so with the table of 5 100 can be reduced 20 times and 4 into 20 is 80. So the answer will be 80%. In 5 by 8 again 5 by 8 multiply by 100. So in the table of 2 this comes 4 times. Table of 2 this will come 50 times. In the table of 2 4 comes 2 times. 50 comes 25 times. Now this is 25 and this is 5 and 25 into 5 is 125 divided by 2. So you can make it into mixed fraction also because अब ये आगे solve नहीं होगा. This will be this fraction और अगर आंसर आएगा तो वो पॉइंट में आएगा. But we are going to write it like this only 125 by 2%. आप इसे ऐसे परसेंटेज में भी लिख सकते हैं और you can convert it into mixed fraction also. ठीक है? Then 7 by 15. Again we are going to multiply the 7 by 15 by 100. This will be 700 by 50. You can reduce it with the table of 5. With the table of 5 this will come 3 times and the 700 will come 140 times. Right? And now 3 से 140 divide नहीं होता है. So we are going to write like this only 140 divided by 3 or you can convert it into mixed fraction also. Next is 0.6. Now this 0.6 is 6 by 10. So again you are going to multiply it by 100 to make it into a percentage. So 0 से 0 cancel out. 6 into 10 will be 60%. This one is 5 by 100 only. So the percentage will be 5%. So like this you can solve other sums, other parts of question number 4. So next question is question number 5 in which we have to write these numbers into fractions in lowest terms. So we are going to convert these percentages into fractions. हमें इसे fractions में convert करना है but in the lowest terms. उसे भी हमें क्या करना है class reduce करना है. We are starting with 20%. So this 20% is 20 by 100 only. 20% है तो हम उसे ऐसे लिखेंगे 20 by 100. Now we have to reduce. So 0 से 0 कट हो जाएगा. Now it will be 2 by 10. So again in the table of 2, 2 comes 1 time and 10 comes 5 times. Right? So the answer will be 1 upon 5. So 20% is equals to 1 by 5. Here in this one, 12 1 by 2. So this is mixed fraction. We are going to convert it into improper fraction first. So we are going to write the 6.25 as 625 by 100. We are going to remove this point because this is a decimal number, and when we will divide this by 100, we are going to write it like this as a fraction. So after point there are two digits, so according to two digits we are going to write 100, and इसका जो point है वो remove हो जाएगा. So fraction is 625 by 100. Now this is percentage sign, so we are going to divide by 100. Don't get confused between this 100 and this 100. ये 100 कहाँ से आया जब हमने इसका पॉइंट को हटाया है, रिमूव किया है, and this 100 will come when we are going to change into fraction. तो हमें क्या करना है, परसेंटेज का जो 100 है उससे डिवाइड करना है. So there are two hundreds. Now this 625 by 100, and when we are going to change this divide sign with multiply sign, we are going to reciprocal this 100. So it will be 1 by 100. Now we are going to reduce the terms. So in the table of 25, this will come 25 times, and this will come 4 times. Again, in the table of 25, 25 come 1 time, and this 100 will come 4 times. So in the numerator there are 1s, so it will be 1 only, and in the denominator there is 4 multiplied by 4, so 4 into 4, 16. So 1 by 16 is the answer. In question number 6, it is given right as a decimal fractions. Now यहाँ पे percentages की values हमें given है, and we are going to change into decimal fraction. That means हमें decimal numbers में ही change करना है. So first of all, 7% can be written as 7 by 100, and this 7 by 100 upon में क्या है, 2 zeros है. We are going to put a decimal point 2 digit before, so 7 is already there, and 1 digit extra will be this 0. So the answer is 0.07. In B part, 18%. 18% can be written as 18 by 100. So now this will be 0.18 because we are going to put a decimal point 2 digit before. So 2 digit before क्या हो जाएगा, 8 and 1 से पहले decimal point आ जाएगा, and this is the answer. Now in this one, 67 1 by 2. So this is 135 by 2. We can divide this 135 by 2 to make it a decimal number. So जब हम इसको divide करेंगे, we will get 2 times 12, 1, and then 15, 7 times 14, and then 1. So we are going to put a decimal point, and then we are going to write 0, and 5 times we are going to write 10. Remainder is 0. So the answer is 67.5. This is the answer of this percentage. So today we are going to do this much of questions only. Next we will do in the next class.